Welcome to Piscataway!
We're here at Piscataway at a beautiful building owned by Sudler and occupied by Guhl-Sadovy, celebrating another solar landscape community solar project. This project is going to serve around 300 homes in Piscataway and the surrounding townships, and at least half of the electricity is going to go to low and moderate income people.
This is literally a shining example of how business and industry and government can come together to produce green energy for the residents.
We're excited to host a community solar installation on this rooftop and others like it. This project's part of our 9.7 megawatt portfolio, which will soon power more than 1,500 homes in New Jersey.
We're proud that Wahler was able to collaborate and partner with Sudler, GTJ, and Solar Landscape to have these solar panels installed on the very roof behind me to generate clean energy that our community is able to use every day.
It's been an important mechanism for solar deployment, and it serves as a national model for clean energy equity, which is an issue I care very deeply about.
Everybody here a couple weeks ago for all that smoke from Canada? There's more in your future. Anybody see the floods in New York State this past week? There's more of that in your future. And there's more and more of it unless we do more and more of this.
Community solar in New Jersey is a fabulous program. It's the best option for getting solar on the grid at scale fast. So we've been turning on these community solar projects over the past couple of years, really helping New Jersey meet its goal of having 100% renewable energy.
Community solar is more than just lower costs and more than just clean air. There's a lot more to it. As we build out more community solar in New Jersey and across the country, they continue to create jobs.
And this is a great way we can help slow down global climate impact. This is part of the solution to that problem.